Module Overview. Meaning of public enterprises. Public enterprises, also known as state-owned enterprises, SOEs, or government-owned corporations, are business entities or organizations owned, operated, and controlled by the government. These enterprises are established to provide essential services, promote economic development, and ensure that critical sectors are not solely controlled by private individuals or foreign investors. Public enterprises may operate at national, state, or local government levels, and are created through enabling legislation, such as acts of parliament or government decrees. While they may generate profits, their primary purpose is often service delivery, public welfare, economic stabilization, and strategic control over key industries like electricity, water, transport, oil and gas, education, and healthcare.
Types of public enterprise. Public enterprise can be classified based on ownership, autonomy, funding, and functions. The major types include 1. Statutory corporations. These are created by an act of parliament or decree, and have a legal personality distinct from the government. They operate under specific statutes and enjoy relative autonomy in their operations. Examples include Power Holding Company of Nigeria, PHCN, Nigerian Ports Authority, NPA, Federal Radio Corporation of Nigeria, FRCN, features independent accounting and budgeting systems governed by boards appointed by the government operate outside regular civil service rules. 2. Government companies. These are companies in which the government owns at least 51% of the share capital. They are registered under the Companies and Allied Matters Act, CAMA, just like private companies, but they are majorly government-controlled. Examples: Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation, NNPC Limited, Bank of Industry, BOE. Features of public enterprise. 1. Ownership by government. Public enterprise are fully or majorly owned by the government. This ownership may be through direct control or majority shareholding. 2. Service orientation. Unlike private businesses which are profit-driven, public enterprise focus on delivering public services, ensuring equity and affordability for citizens. 3. Legal backing. Most public enterprise are established through acts, decrees, or specific government policies, giving them legal exigence and operational mandates. 4. Government funding. They receive capital and subventions from the government budget, though some generate internal revenue. Some may operate on commercial principles but still enjoy state support. 5. Public accountability. Being custodians of public resources, public enterprise are expected to be accountable to the people, often audited by government agencies and answerable to parliament or the presidency. 6. Monopoly or dominant status. Many public enterprise operate in sectors where they are sole providers, monopoly, or dominant players, especially in utilities, natural resources, and infrastructure. 2. Autonomy with oversight. They may have a degree of operational independence, but are subject to government policy direction, audits, and performance evaluations. 8. Social and strategic goals. Public enterprise are often used to implement national policies, support vulnerable populations, or control strategic resources for national security and sovereignty. Importance of public enterprise. 1. Provision of essential services. Public enterprise ensure the delivery of basic services like electricity, water, transportation, and healthcare, which private businesses may neglect due to low profitability. 2. Employment generation. They are major employers of labor, offering jobs across different sectors and skill levels, especially in developing countries. 3. Control of key industries. Governments use public enterprise to maintain control over sensitive industries like oil, energy, defense, and infrastructure for economic sovereignty. 4. Promotion of economic development. They play a catalytic role in industrialization, infrastructure development, and rural outreach, supporting long-term national growth. 5. Equitable resource distribution. Public enterprise help bridge inequality gaps by providing subsidized goods and services to disadvantaged regions or populations. 6. Revenue generation. Although not primarily profit-oriented, many public enterprise generate substantial income through dividends, service charges, taxes, and royalties. 2. Stabilization of the economy in times of crisis. Governments can use public enterprise to regulate prices, ensure supply of essential goods, and stimulate demand. 8. Platform for policy implementation. Public enterprise act as vehicles for government programs, such as poverty alleviation, youth empowerment, public health campaigns, and rural electrification.